Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a table into the Google Forms questions. So here I've already opened the Google Forms that I want to create, and here I'm going to add a new question first, and let's say I want to add a table into this question. So unfortunately, there is a no feature in Google Form where you can directly insert or draw a table. So I found this trick. So what you need is just a third party. You need a third party where you can screenshot the table. You can use the snipping tool if you're on window, or you can just use any screenshot or print screen device on your computer. And after that, you can create the table in other apps such as like Google Docs, Google Forms, and other. And after that, you can just screenshot that image, that table image, and just click on this image options in the question on the Google form, and just browse the image that you just screenshot, the image of the table. So here I've already in screenshot the image. Click on open. So I create this table in the Google Sheets, and you can see now the table has been added. So you can use this trick if you want to add a table to the Google Forms questions. And guys, that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.